Holograms have just always been a passion for me. When you see true holograms, it's a wow moment. It's a piece of 3D science magic, and you just want to reach out and touch it. But it was while I was at MIT that I realized, unless you were a research student or a grad student at a place like MIT, you weren't going to get access to this kind of hologram technology. I started LitiHolo to help change that. I'm Paul Christie, the founder of LitiHolo, and we're introducing our new desktop 3D hologram printer.
I've been working with holography for probably over 20 years, and one of the things that we've always talked about is a desktop printer. I can't believe that Liti is finally doing it at a price point that actually makes this affordable for everyone.
This is a little like the early stages of the personal computer, or the early stages of the recent 3D printing phenomenon that we've seen. It's a new tool that gives people access to a whole new hologram technology, and we're excited to see where people will go with it.
Yeah, having something like this that takes a make-or-bot approach to holographic printing, I think is just what I need as an instructor, trying to help students get their hands dirty with hard copy holography.
Our regular two-dimensional pictures, our regular screens, they're flat. We walk around all day, every day, seeing 3D. And I think it's natural for us to want that kind of 3D in our images. And this is the start of how we get there.
So I think LitiHolo is an excellent company to spearhead this effort. They have a reputation for taking some of the sophisticated parts of holography and making them more accessible. And this is just another example of that. Now, instead of needing your own laser on a specialized table, they've encapsulated this into a small package. And sometimes you just want a hologram.
True hologram technology has potential to go far beyond where we are currently. There's a lot of other 3D technologies out there, and there's been a lot of older 3D technologies, and it's exciting to see where they've come. We're excited to see where true hologram technology can go.
Holography is magical, and I think that as many people as possible should experience it, and I think that this product, this effort, is going to lower the threshold.
The future of where we hope that this will take holograms is just, it's exciting to see. Previous to this, access to this kind of technology has just been so limited. We see this as a potential to inspire the next generation of holographic artists, the next generation of holographic students, researchers, and we're hoping the next generation of holographic entrepreneurs. With your help and support, we can get ready for production, acquire parts at scale, and get a desktop 3D hologram printer into the hands of people like you.
Liti, you're doing it! We're getting a desktop printer. Love it. Thank you.